We are Crazy Three! Please like, subscribe and share. Welcome to our Art and Craft Club.
Hi guys, my name is Emma and today I'm going to teach you to make super handcuffs. Let's make it! For today's craft you'll need some toilet rolls, glue, white paper, yellow paper, pencil, paintbrush, black paint, and red paint. If you like to buy this stuff, check the link below. First we're going to paint this blue, this red, this black. Now we will paint red. Now we will start painting the black. Now on the yellow paper, we will draw a circle, a triangle and one flash sign. Now we'll cut the signs with the scissors. Now we'll draw a Batman sign on a white paper. Now we'll cut the Batman sign off. Now we'll paint the Batman sign black. Now we will draw a Superman S. Now our signs are ready. Now we're going to start gluing them. First we will do the flash handcuff. Now we'll make the Superman handcuff. Now we'll make the Batman handcuffs. Now we'll put glue on the circle and stick the Batman sign on it. Put some glue in this and stick the circle. These are my superhero handcuffs. Please try it at home. I forgot what to say.
We are